Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Netflix recommendations. If your Netflix recommendations completely broken, or maybe your friend borrow your profile, or did you want just a fresh start, you can easily reset your entire recommendations algorithm. So this is how you can do it. You can just go to the website. So you must do this in the web browser, not the app. And you can just click on your profile at the top and go to the account settings. Scroll down and click on the manage profiles options and choose the profile that you want to reset its recommendations. For example, I'm going to reset from this one in here. And then you can just scroll down until you find the viewing activity. You can just click on it. And now you can just hide the history entirely. You can click on this to hide it only one, or you can also scroll down and click on the hide all to entirely reset the suggestion or recommendations. Click on this and click on yes. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.